as you know, I'm a James Bond fanatic. So I just ordered this, one of my favorite movies of all time. Guess what? Are you ready for the unveiling? A Thunderball. All right, Tom Jones, let's sing it. I've got the soundtrack from the James Bond film from 1966. This was one of my favorites. There's the back. Oh look, they've got it in its sleeve, which I like. Let me pull this out. Oh, check it out. So this is United Artists, and it's in this sleeve, which is good. And let's take a look at the back of it. Wow, check it out. That is awesome. Remember the beginning of the movie where he takes off with the jetpack? And also the Aston Martin is featured in this film too. So the one that he crashed in Goldfinger, I guess they fixed it or they made another one, I don't know. But this is one of my favorites. I think my two favorites are Goldfinger and Thunderball. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on James Bond. Peace out.